Hey, are you gonna make Daddy something to eat?
Okay.
For me? Okay. Yummy. Put it back on the stove. I think it needs to be warmed up. Good job. Uh-oh. What's in the oven? You got anything cooking in the oven?
Uh-oh.
What happened?
I'm gonna show back.
Can you get Daddy some chili?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that?
Okay.
Oh, very good. Can you
Uh-oh.
do you have any oranges?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Away.
And how about a banana? Do you have bananas?
Yeah.
Where? Bananas are in there? Okay, get Daddy one. Oh, Daddy's getting sick. A Baba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby Baba.
It's the baby's Baba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby Baba. Now.
You want to feed the baby?